In definite integration, we have many equations in which we compare two integrals. Or value of one integral is given, then we have to find the value of other integral in the form of given value. Look at this question. If a value of this integral is pi by 2, we have integration of function sin x upon x, limits are 0 to infinity. This value is pi by 2. Then we have to find the value of this integral. Integration from limit 0 to infinity of sin cube x upon x. क्या कर सकते हैं? Now where sin cube x reflects? In which formula you find sin cube x? In the formula of sin 3x. Formula is sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From this, sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. Okay. Now I put this value here. We have I is equal to this integral. Sin cube x is 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. Okay. So integrand is this upon x. Okay. Next we split. We have 3 upon 4 multiplied by this integral minus 1 upon 4 multiplied by this integral. Function is sin 3x upon x. Okay. Now this value is given. This is pi by 2. Value put करते हैं. We have 3 upon 4 multiplied by pi by 2. Now here we have sin 3x. Okay, तो क्या कर सकते हैं? We have value of integral in which integrand is sin x upon x. Here we have function sin 3x. तो इस इंटीग्रल को यूज करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं? We use substitution. Okay, we put 3x is equal to t. So we have 1 upon 4 multiplied by integration of sin t upon t upon 3. Limits will remain same. Okay, and dx is replaced by dt upon 3. Okay, 3 gets cancelled out. Okay, so we have integrand sin t upon t. We have same function here. Okay, limits are also same. So this value is also pi by 2. So we have 3 pi by 8 minus pi by 8. I am putting value of this, which is pi by 2. So we have minus pi by 8. So we have 2 pi by 8 and this value is pi by 4. ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पे इस इंटीग्रल का वैल्यू गिवन है, उसको यूज करके हमने इस इंटीग्रल का वैल्यू निकाला. बेसिकली हम दो इंटीग्रल्स को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. Let's say this question we have to prove that this integral is equal to e power x square upon 4 multiplied by this integral. Look at the functions. Here we have function e power minus t square plus xt, and here we have function e power minus t square upon 4. In both the functions, exponent of e is quadratic, and we know that e power x square is non-integrable. We cannot integrate e power x square. We can integrate function x multiplied by e power x square. कैसे इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं इसको? We multiply and divide by 2. 2x is derivative of x square. So integration is 1 upon 2 multiplied by e power x square plus constant c. But this is non-integrable. Okay. So here we have this type of equation in which we have to compare two integrals because integrand is non-integrable. जो function है हम उसको integrate नहीं कर सकते. Okay, तो क्या कर सकते हैं? On RHS we have here e power x square upon 4. Variables x and t are independent. Okay, ये दोनों variables independent है ना? Integration is with respect to variable t, but variables x and t are independent. So what we do? Here on LHS we multiply and divide by e power x square upon 4 we keep e power x square upon 4 outside, okay, and inside we divide by e power x square upon 4. We can do this because variables x and t are independent. Okay, so we have here integrand e power minus x square upon 4 plus xt minus t square. Okay, this is e power minus 1 multiplied by perfect square of x upon 2 minus t. आप चेक करो, माइनस 1 कॉमन निकालेंगे तो जो क्वाड्रेटिक होगा वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा x अपॉन 2 माइनस t का होगा ना. ओके, नाउ वी टू प्रूव दैट दिस इंटीग्रल इज इक्वल टू दिस इंटीग्रल. बस हमें ये प्रूव करना है. नाउ हाउ कैन यू ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस फंक्शन इनटू दिस वन. इस फंक्शन को इस फंक्शन के फॉर्म में कैसे लेके आएंगे. इनफैक्ट हमें ये फंक्शन लाना है. क्या कर सकते हैं. This is e power minus x minus 2t whole square upon 4. Now here we have x minus 2t in place of t. Okay, so what we do? We use substitution. We put x minus 2t is equal to y. ये रखेंगे ना? Then what will be changes in the limits? When t is 0, y is x. Okay, so we write here lower limit is x, and when t is x, y is minus x. Okay, and we have here e power minus y square upon 4. This is integrand, and dt is replaced by minus dy upon 2. Okay, now we interchange the limits. Okay, so we have 1 upon 2 multiplied by e power x square upon 4 multiplied by this integral, limits from minus x to x, and integrand is e power minus y square upon 4. देखो अब ये प्रूव हो गया. Here limits are 0 to x and here minus x to x. Okay, but this is an even function. Okay, so we change the limits 0 to x and outside we multiply by 2. We are using the property of an even function, integration of an even function. Okay, your 2 gets cancelled out, so it is proved that this integral is equal to e power x square upon 4 multiplied by this integral. Here we can replace y by t. Y is dummy variable, y की जगह पे हम t रख सकते हैं. ठीक है ना. बेसिकली जब हमें दो इंटीग्रल्स को कंपेयर करना है तो उस केस में हमारे पास जो फंक्शन होता है वो नॉन इंटीग्रेबल होता है. आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक और क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं. लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट सम ऑफ दिस टू इंटीग्रल्स इज 0. लुक एट द फंक्शंस. In both the functions, exponent of e is quadratic and e power quadratic is non-integrable. Now we have to prove that sum of these two integrals is 0. That means we have to prove that this integral is negative of this. तभी ये सम 0 आएगा ना. जब हम प्रूव करेंगे कि ये इंटीग्रल इसका नेगेटिव है. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे. दोनों फंक्शंस को पहले कुछ सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. हियर वी पुट x plus 5 is equal to y, and here we put we first simplify this function like this. Take 9 inside. Okay, so we have e power 3x minus 2 square, so we put 3x minus 2 is equal to y. So we have now this integral changes to function is e power y square, dx is replaced by dy. For x is equal to minus 4, value of y is 1, and for x is equal to minus 5, value of y is 0. Okay, plus 3 multiplied by, when x is 1 upon 3, value of y will be minus 1, and when x is equal to 2 upon 3, value of y will be 0. So we have limits minus 1 to 0. Integrand is e power y square, and dx is replaced by dy upon 3. Here 3 gets cancelled out. Okay, अब कैसे प्रूव करेंगे कि ये सम 0 है. What next? Here we have limits 1 to 0, here we have limits minus 1 to 0. To get the limits 1 to 0, what we do? We put here y is equal to minus z. Okay, so we have limits from 1 to 0. E power y square is e power z square and dy is replaced by minus dz. Okay, ठीक है, यहाँ तक हो गया प्रूव. We take minus sign outside. Okay, these two integrals are same. डमी वेरिएबल्स दोनों में अलग अलग है पर दोनों इंटीग्रल्स सेम है, सो दिस सम इज इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ पे भी क्वेश्चन में नॉन इंटीग्रेबल फंक्शंस हैं. वी हैव नॉन इंटीग्रेबल फंक्शंस, सो वी आर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन विदाउट एक्चुअली इंटीग्रेटिंग. इंटीग्रेशन तो हो ही नहीं सकता, तो हम कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करके इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.